Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Going through this wonky veg. Loads of onions. I'm going to freeze them. They could store by themselves, but I'm not going to chance it. I'm going to freeze load. I could can them, but no, I think it'd be more convenient to freeze them. And they're so easy to do as well. I have done some already, which is in these bags, because all you do is get your onion, chop it up. Oh. I've got this dicer machine, which is brilliant. Once they're diced, put them in a bag. You don't have to blanch them, and you can take out as many as you want. That's why I'm freezing rather than canning, because if I can a whole jar of onions, I don't think I'll use a whole jar of onions, but I can just take out a few here of what I need. And then all the skins and everything I'm going to wash off and then boil them down and make some onion stock. I used some of the onions up in the different meals that I've made, and I've taken some onions that I thought will store well for a while in the fridge that I can use. The rest of them I've bagged up, and I've now got 4 bags of onions for the freezer, so that'll keep me going for a while. It's easier than if I were to can them, plus I can use just a few. Just while I was thinking I'm getting somewhere, and got over 3 empty boxes. Well, 3 empty boxes and two full ones of the 5 wonky veg, which went and took one of the empty boxes and filled it with pears, because these pears are ready. They're starting to drop, but pears will not ripen on your tree, so I've had him pick all of the pears, and then they'll stay here in the kitchen for about a week. And then I'm going to can them up and freeze them up and do different things with them. But I've got a week until I need to do these. So I'll finish up with the wonky veg first. This is something for next week. Bye!